Привіт! Ви на каналі Техно, і ми продовжуємо наші пригоди на Warsaw HVAC Expo або Варшавській виставці ОВІК. І сьогодні саме тут ми спробуємо знайти відповідь на запитання, які цікавлять багатьох з вас.
Інформація дійсно буде цікавою, а для тих, хто шукає роботу в Польщі, корисною. Ну що, ходімо з нами?
What is your name?
My name is Marcin.
Nice to meet you. My name is Natalia. You have such a bright yellow stand,
Yes.
so we decided to come as soon as possible.
Yes, it's really nice because this yellow shows some joy. We're representing something like what smile on our face, something happy and joy. This is why this color is taken to our brand.
Great. So tell us about your stand and about your brand. What do you do? What your company do?
Okay, I'm here with my friends. We are just reselling products like air conditioner, boilers, heating pumps, ventilators, and things like that. We are already 7 years at market, and now we are growing. That's why we are here, and also we are searching for our distributors in Poland.
Is it your first time here on this exhibition or not the first?
Yes, it's my first time, and I really enjoy it. It's a lot of people. I think we have one of the best spots here in this area, I think. I hope that you will agree that.
Did the war in Ukraine affect to your business? Maybe some changes you noticed or no?
To be honest, yes, I think yes, because every price is growing up at the moment. Also, energy cost is growing really up. That's why we are looking for another opportunities or chances to warm our houses.
Yes.
So I think it had a lot of influence that we had to find solution about that.
Can you wish something for people who work in the same field, HVAC, but in Ukraine? Can you wish something for them?
I wish peace, luck and love.
Український бренд Sensei дуже відомий в Україні. Ми працюємо з 2006 року на ринку України. І зараз з цього року ми виводимо бренд Sensei на всеєвропейський ринок. І для цього ми відкрили наш офіс, великий офіс у Варшаві. Зараз ми відкриваємо кілька офісів у Польщі, во Вроцлаві, в Познані, в Катовіце, в Гданську. І також ми відкриваємо наші шоуруми і офіси у декількох європейських столицях. Усі наші моделі зроблені для європейського ринку, тому перш за все ми вділяли якістю компонентів, тобто брендові компресори, якісний вентилятор, підігрів подону у всіх моделях, за моноблоками майбутнє, тому що не потрібно встановлювати гідромодуль у приміщенні. Для встановлення моноблоку не потрібно мати ліцензію F-газа, тобто встановлювати моноблоки у Європі мають можливість навіть сантехніки.
Цікаво.
Да. Тобто, а для встановлення кондиціонерів треба мати F-газ ліцензію.
What's your name?
My name is Tomasz.
Nice to meet you, Tomasz. Tell us about your stand and about your company. What do you do here in Poland?
Yes, we are a Polish company. We're based in Katowice, in Silesia region. We are a company who produce heat pump, but technology for us is very important. It's a refrigerant R290. So it's ultra ecologic refrigerant and the heat pump monoblock. We produce only the complete hydraulic box, hot water tanks, and very big. It's a premiere. It's the first time you are showing. It's a big unit, 50 kilowatts. The same if for R290 refrigerant. It's the newest, the best. Probably the first unit in Europe, I hope.
I was just about to ask, how was the last year for your company? Was it good for you? Did you sell enough or you sell less than before?
never sell enough. It's better to sell more all the time, of course. And we are growing very fast. We do all what clients need, so we have few premieres here. The next, our product is a completely hydraulic system you can put to the house. Time of installation is very, very fast. You don't need to go to warehouses, pick up hydraulics elements. So time of installation is maximum 2 days. So the cost of installation is cheaper. And finally, in a home, looks like this.
Oh, looks pretty.
It's all what you need to good working installation. Hydraulic system, buffer tank, and hot water tank, all in a cabinet.
Did the war in Ukraine affect to your business? Did you notice some changes or no?
Yes, it was changes because the cost of energy, problem with a gas system, so it's influent for, of course, this type of installation. It's good because it's if somebody have a photovoltaic system, for example, produce energy, heat pump is for energy, so we can produce and we can use our energy for our heating system. We can't to produce a gas or cool, so it's the best option to make this type of installation.
Добрий день, як вас звати?
Доброго дня, мене звати Ярослав.
Дуже приємно. Розкажіть, будь ласка, про ваш стенд і взагалі чим займається ваша компанія в Польщі.
Наша компанія Air є головним імпортером обладнання Cooper Hunter. Тобто ми виключний представник компанії Cooper Hunter. На нашому стенді знаходиться дуже багато обладнання, тому що ми багатокерункова компанія, можна сказати. Теплові насоси, кондиціювання, VRF-ки, тобто малої великої потужності. З новинок можемо запропонувати і тепловий насос на пропані, тобто ми одні з перших використали цю технологію, тобто дуже висока температура на виході до 75 градусів і потрібний клас енергоефективності.
А як для вашої компанії пройшов минулий рік взагалі?
Попередній рік був досить хороший, тому що в попередньому році був бум на теплові насоси, тобто ринок виріс в 3-4 рази. Ну і ми з цього теж скористалися, тому ми зробили 200-300% в порівнянні до 2021 року.
Ага, плани на майбутнє, на 2023 вже є для компанії?
Зараз ринок трошки заспокоївся, тобто немає як такого буму. Всі вже мають обладнання у себе на магазинах, не на магазинах, на складах. Тому, в принципі, на цей рік головне втриматись на ринку, зробити хоча б ті самі продажі, що в попередньому році, розвиватися, розвивати фірму, ну і покращувати просто обслуговування клієнта кінцевого.
А багато в вашій компанії працюють українців?
В нашій компанії працюють двоє українців, тобто я і мій брат.
І як давно ви вже тут, в Польщі?
Ми вже дуже давно в Польщі, тобто ми вже років 5-6, тобто ми навчалися в Польщі, а після того, як навчались, просто залишились тут працювати далі. Найголовніше раніше взагалі був дозвіл на роботу, документи, щоб був дозвіл працювати офіційно. Зараз, в часи війни, в принципі, ці обмеження зняли, тому можна працювати без питань. Лише головна проблема – це бажання і знання мови, тобто мову потрібно вчити. Без мови взагалі буде важко, але хоч якась комунікативна мова потрібна.
Дякую. І, звісно, що б ви хотіли побажати нашим українцям, які працюють в сфері ОВІК в Україні?
Розвиватися, слідкувати за технологіями, не боятись ризикувати. Ну і найголовніше – це мирного неба над головою і перемога за нами.
Is your company based in Poland here or you come from?
No, we are the international company and our headquarters is located in Italy. Yes, but not just, but because we has got also the factory in China, in the USA. We are international company.
How was the last year for your company? Did you sell a lot or it was less than before?
You know, how to say, it was very successful year for us. I know the problem with the materials. We facing also with the problems, but finally the results was very successful for us.
Maybe you have any Ukrainians working in your company.
Yes, we
Yeah.
have. Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Yes, yes, we have. Yes.
Are they here or no?
No, not now. No, now. But we have got. Yes.
Can you wish something for people who work in the same field but in Ukraine, HVAC field?
You know what I can wish? I wish that they join to our company and improve their skills with us, and we creating the very good team. Yes, together. Yes.
What is your name?
My name is Ursula Sitko-Zawiślak. I represent the Hitexa company.
Nice to meet you. Can you tell us about your stand, because it looks really bright and interesting?
Thank you. We are a company which provide equipment for air. We can cool, humidify, ozonate, heat the air. So we try to do our best. Oh, we can also distribute air through the air ducts.
Okay. Do you have your best-selling or the newest products here on the stand?
Yes, the evaporative coolers. You can stand next to it and try
Feel the
on your yes, the cool wind.
Okay,
Yeah.
we can do it together, okay? Oh yeah.
It's really nice.
It's really windy.
and cool. Yeah.
Okay, and what about that one? What is this?
That's the heart of this unit. That's the cooling pad, which the water comes through it, and when the air comes through it, it's cooled down.
Do you work worldwide, or you're based in Poland only?
We're based in Poland, but we've got customer in France, in Ukraine, in Slovakia, in Litva. So we are not closed for the world cooperation.
How was your last year? Did you sell a lot, or maybe the war in Ukraine affect your business or any other changes?
No, our last year was very good, and we didn't see any changes after the Ukrainian war.
What is your name?
My name is Monica.
Nice to meet you, Monica. What are you doing here? What's your purpose to come into this exhibition?
Okay, I do derive from business of building automation, smart home, smart building. So I'm just looking here for some integration signs of HVAC with standards for building automation. Mostly we do use KNX standard. That is an international standard. And here I'm just looking for the companies that follow new trends and that also maybe promote the standard for building automation.
How do you like this exhibition? Are you satisfied with this, or you think this is missing something? Maybe you would like to add something or change?
Actually, what I've noticed is that there are no big companies such as, I don't know, international Samsung or Mitsubishi. Mostly there are some products of theirs, but at the booths of distributing companies. And I think that it should be the other way as well. So not only distributors, but also big companies should be present here.
Hello, do you speak English, maybe?
Just a little. Yes, I do. Yeah. Yes, a little.
How do you like this exhibition?
No. The exhibition is amazing because I've been all 3 days, and it's the most excited I've been for a long time because there's been no. Our last exhibition I went to was in Frankfurt. And then there was COVID and everything, so this has been just amazing. And I came again after I'd done some research, but everybody's gone. Everybody disappeared at 2 o'clock, and that's the only thing. But I've really had a fantastic time here. And the big difference is this industry has got a massive boost from the best salesman in the world. He's the salesman of the year. Do you know who it is? Vladimir Putin. Yeah, so people think, because everybody all the time, I'll use electricity, I'll use gas, and I'll get a discount from this, and it's rubbish. And everybody now is panicking. So it's changed. Everybody's interested in better efficiency, different systems. You know, I've bought so much wood, and so everybody's thinking has changed. They want to survive now. And people in Texas, and they've had frost and that, people have died because they've only got electricity. And Putin was very clever just cutting the electric off, you know, it screwed people up. So, you know, this exhibition is just, I've just been, it's just crazy. Just a pleasure, yeah. I was made in England, but I live in Wrocław now. So I was manufactured in England. They made really good quality things then, but it's sort of changed now. Thank you.
Do you work in this sphere, HVAC?
All my life I've been in this. Hospital engineer, designing hospitals, steam, I've done loads in steam, you know, loads of things. So I know it really well. And I've just enjoyed exchanging ideas with people, you know, just brainstorming with people. And I don't want things made in China, I want them made in Poland. I only want to buy Polish products. That's very important, is that right? Do you want to ask me any more questions?
Yeah. Can you wish something to Ukrainian people who work in the same field but in Ukraine?
What, can I think about something? You know, Ukraine's really good at manufacturing, actually. Ukraine should be really rich. The only trouble is there's oligarchs. No, there's oligarchs. That's the trouble. You see, in Poland there's not many oligarchs. But in Ukraine, the corruption is only at the top. You know, the normal people are so nice. You go on the bus, everybody passes the money down to the driver, he gives you a ticket, passes it back. I've been there for 5 weeks and they're fantastic people there. You know, they're really great. But unfortunately, there's massive corruption there. Are you from Ukraine?
Yes.
Oh, no. You're all from Ukraine?
Yes.
Oh.
We are a YouTube channel from Ukraine. We come to this exhibition to show all the stands and so on.
Good. I love Ukraine. I absolutely love Ukraine. All right, love. Thank you. And the best place I've ever stayed was the Dream Hostel in Kiev.
Really?
That is just out of this world. I've never been anywhere as good as that.
Great. Thanks for recommendation.
All right, a good bit of advertising.
Сподіваємося, що вам сподобався такий формат відео. Пишіть в коментарях, на які ще запитання ви б хотіли почути відповідь. І ми відповімо вам особисто.
Не забувайте слідкувати за гаєчками в соцмережах, адже там теж буває цікаво. І а вже ж підписуйтесь на наш YouTube канал, адже у нас уже готово для вас декілька цікавих відео.
Бувайте!